Animal names with English alphabets from A to Z. A. A for ant. This is an ant. B. B for bear. This is a bear. C. C for cat. This is a cat. D. D for duck. This is a duck. E. E for elephant. This is elephant. F. F for fox. This is fox. G. G for giraffe. This is giraffe. H. H for hen. This is hen. I. I for iguana. This is iguana. J. J for jaguar. This is jaguar. K. K for kangaroo. This is kangaroo. L. L for leopard. Leopard. M. M for monkey. This is monkey. N. N for newt. This is newt. O. O for owl. This is owl. P. P for peacock. This is peacock. Q. Q for quail. This is quail. R. R for rabbit. This is rabbit. S. S for sheep. This is sheep. T. T for tiger. This is tiger. U. U for unicorn. This is unicorn. V. V for vulture. W. W for wolf. This is wolf. X. X for Xylops. Y. Y for yak. This is yak. Z. Z for zebra. This is zebra.